Assalamu guys, Ifan back again with another video, and this video is completely different from the type of videos that you're used to seeing on this channel. In this video we'll show you a new engine being put in my classic 1972 Mercedes Benz and W115, and there is a surprise in this video, so make sure you watch it all the way to the end. If you have any comments, just put them down in the comment section below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's watch the video.
अरे अकबर भाई बहुत पूरी बना रहे वो भाई तुम यहाँ पर रोड में रखो ना तू ऐसे खड़ा देख रहा है बहुत क्या कर रहा है बहुत पूरी बना रहा है अच्छा है जरा हाँ एक पत्थर आगे करते हैं पत्थर आगे करते हैं आगे करो चलो और पत्थर दे बोलो आगे करिए बाबा से वो पत्थर सीधा नीचे कलर हमारा किया बोलो दिक्कत ज़्यादा नहीं दिक्कत ये करेंगे चप्पल करेंगे चप्पल
Here you will see Ali, the mechanic in the red shirt, asking his brother for a piece of cloth. So now we see Ali's brother adjusting the piece of cloth so that the car does not get scratched. Just a few seconds before the engine fell down and made contact with the car, Ali had his hand underneath the engine adjusting the piece of cloth, and then after him his brother had also stuck his hand in, again trying to adjust the piece of cloth, and it was just a few seconds before the engine actually fell down. Now, the reason why the engine fell down was the hook that was holding the engine up to the chain. That hook gave way, and that's why the engine fell. But thank God nobody was hurt. But that's the surprise I had told you about at the beginning. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please support this channel by subscribing. Thank you.